Hi there, this is Nicole from Right at Home, and today I'm sharing this gift idea for a coffee or tea loving card maker. On my channel today I'm posting 5 different gift idea videos for your crafty friends, so if you're looking for some additional ideas, make sure to head over to my channel. And here's a look at the gift when it's all tied together. On the front of this gift I included a little gift tag that has a pocket that you can slip a gift card into, and it would be cute to slip a gift card to the recipient's favorite coffee place inside, and I'll be showing you how to make this pocket later in the video. And then inside the actual bundle is our Cup of Joy stamp and die set, and this set includes a ton of different coffee and tea related images. And then this set is called How Have You Been, and it includes some coordinating sentiments. So here I've stamped and die cut the little to-go coffee cup and the little band that goes around it, and I'm going to color it in using some Copic markers. I'll include all of the colors in the description box below, but I just did some really simple coloring, but I made sure to add some shading around the edges and have the lightest part be in the center. I wanted this to look like it was made out of craft paper, so I decided to go with some light brown colors. Now I can move on to coloring in the coffee cup. I'm just going to be using 2 different colors of red, the darkest being on the outer edges. And I had to work a lot to get these 2 colors to blend. I don't have a lot of reds in my collection, so I had to use the tip-to-tip coloring method so that I could get the 2 colors to blend nicely. And then for the lid, I'm just using some warm gray colors. And this is what the coffee cup looks like once it's all colored in. Onto the band, I'm going to stamp to and from so that you can write in the recipient's name, and then I'm going to move on to building my gift card tag. Using my gift card tag die set, I cut out some craft cardstock twice, and onto the one that I cut down, this piece right here, I'm going to stamp using my gingham background stamp and Catherine Pooler ink in green tea. I thought that that would accent the red cup nicely and just bring in another fun holiday color. I'm going to use the little tag piece that comes in this set to cut out some white cardstock for the inside of the tag pocket, and then I also cut out one of the hole reinforcers, and I'm going to color that using the same dark red Copic marker color so that it matches perfectly. And then onto the 2 edges of the pocket, I can use some score tape so that it seals nicely. And then you can just adhere everything together. When I was finishing off the front of my tag, I decided that I wanted to add some additional elements from the How Have You Been set, so I stamped those onto some white cardstock and fussy cut them out. These don't have a die set, but they're really simple to cut out. And once you adhere all those, you can just add a gift card inside, add some twine through the hole, and then tie it around your little gift set. If you're looking for more gift ideas for your crafty friends, make sure to head over to my channel for 4 additional videos, and make sure to subscribe to this channel before you leave. Have a great day!